How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, we're going to be talking about yet another Honda recall that just came out today and was released today. So this is for steering gearboxes, and essentially I'm just going to read this verbatim here. And due to an improperly produced steering gearbox worm wheel, the wheel can swell during use, reducing the grease film thickness between the worm wheel and the worm gear. In addition, the worm gear spring preload was set improperly high, increasing the sliding force between the components. As a result of the reduced grease film thickness and the increased sliding force, friction between the worm wheel and the worm gear increases. So increased friction between the worm gear and a worm wheel can increase the steering effort and difficulty, increasing the risk of a crash or injury. So what cars are affected by this? So we are talking 22 to 25 Civics, all trims, including the Type R, 23 to 25 CRVs, all trims, 23, 24 HRV, all trims, and 23 to 25 Integra, all trims, including the Type S as well. So there's no parts really available for this yet for the consumers, and I say that because there has been a small batch sent to every dealer for inventory cars at this time. I did my first one today, and essentially what you have to do is you have to remove the steering rack, lower the subframe, remove the rack. You have to redirect some grease into that worm gear, and then you have to replace that spring in the bottom of it. And to get to that spring, you do have to take out a bolt, which there is no clearance in between the steering rack and the frame. Allegedly, there is going to be a tool produced to eliminate that second step. So we have not done that yet. We don't have this new tool for this new procedure. So a lot of times Honda's just trying to get ahead of this, and they're trying to get boots on the ground, and we're putting these parts on what we have. Very limited quantity that we have right now, although we are trying to do as many as possible with what we have. So customer notifications will be going out mid-November. And at that point, I assume Honda will have a bigger inventory of these kits needed to replace and repair these steering racks correctly. So as of now, don't go running to your dealer. Don't call anybody. Wait for that notification letter. Once everything is kind of set and all the dealers are prepared for this and to handle this, it'll show up on your VIN status as you come into your dealer, and they'll notify you. Additionally, again, you'll be notified in mid-November or so that your car is or isn't eligible for this. You won't be notified if it's not eligible, but again, if it will. So it does say all trims, but it still has to fall within a VIN inquiry. So if it comes up on an inquiry, then it's at that point qualifies for the recall, and we will do it. So I don't know how many total vehicles are affected at this point. That is not yet determined, but I'm assuming towards the release of the official recall, Honda will have a number on that and kind of give us an idea. So once I do a couple of these procedures, I'm going to wait till the new tool or the new procedure comes out at this point. I'll do a small video just to kind of show you guys what is going on behind the scenes if you'd like to see it. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll try to get that out as soon as possible. So that being said, I'll catch you on the next one.